We have this fuchsia plant growing very well the whole summer. It has been giving us a lot of flowers. And I've already shown you how to propagate it through the cuttings. And today I'm going to show you how to propagate it by separating out the small plants that grow underneath the big plant. So if you look underneath this big plant, there is a small plant growing here. Now, if I leave this fuchsia plant here, it will not grow very well because it will be overshadowed by this big plant. So I'm going to just dig it up. So I'm just going to here. Just going to plant it in this planter. It has, good regular potting soil mix. So I'm going to water it a little bit and then leave it in a shaded area because, we have disturbed this plant. We've taken it out from the mother plant. So this must be in shock. So I'm going to just put it in a shaded area for a week at least and keep you posted on its progress. So it's been about 3 weeks that we separated this plant from the mother fuchsia plant, and it has been sitting in an area where it gets very, very little sunlight, and the soil is always moist. You can see, and it's doing fine. Actually, it has grown. So now I'm going to move it in partial sun where it gets, I'll keep it under the tree, but where it gets some direct sunlight, and let's see how it does. But I think our separation was successful for sure. About one more month has passed, and now I'm actually seeing flower buds coming out, so I'm really happy. So in about 2 months, the pup has grown so big. It's about a foot tall, and flower buds are appearing, and even horizontally, it is growing a lot of shoots. So this is an easy way to propagate fuchsia. So whenever you see a young fuchsia plant growing under the mother fuchsia plant, and if you think that there is not enough space in that planter or in that space, just dig them up and plant them somewhere else where they get more space, and they'll start to thrive there. So it's been a couple of months that we separated this pup, and look at this now. It is just thriving in this planter. And look at these beautiful fuchsias that it is producing. And there are so many more buds are coming. And this is sitting in partial sun because fuchsia is very sensitive and it doesn't like too much sun. So you want to put it in partial sun. But the soil has to be moist all the time. It doesn't like dry soil. But other than that, it was really easy. So now I've shown you two different ways of propagating fuchsia. One was from cutting, and if you have not seen that video, I'll put the link in the description. And this other one where we just took the pup, separated it from the mother plant, and then it started growing very nicely over here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.